So here we are. It's a rainy day, so we're not working on the outside. And it turns out this last winter I missed one of the railings. I did the bottom part, but for some reason didn't do the top. This is the last piece I have besides this one corner piece. But this one was totally modified. This is just a straight 2x4 here. You can see this top is just a made top, which is not. It's not even the same contour. So I'm going to tear this all apart because I need these spindles. And I already have made the bottom piece. We have this from before. Luckily I made enough of them. So it's kind of like relearning what I had to do because it's been so long. But that's where we're at. It's going to turn out nice, but we got to get at this so we can get the last set up. Not the last set, then there's one corner set. Well, I can show it to you right out here. Right here, we need to put this all back together and figure out how this end is going to mesh into the other posts. So there's a bunch of stuff to figure out here, and then we have to make a bottom piece to go with this one. And then after that, then we're going to be wearing the steps area. So we got to get these two pieces ready.